Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Speech on Independence Day. Good morning everyone. My name is Rahul. Today is 15th August. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate our 78th Independence Day. It is a very important day for us. On this day in 1947, India became independent from the British rule. This is the day to remember the sacrifices of great Indian leaders. We hoist national flag on this day. Let us all pledge today to maintain the integrity of our nation. I love my country very much and I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.